What's up guys, Steve the Graphics Guy here. I have an exciting video for you today, and it starts with me getting some stuff ready for my new shop. And I haven't done any talking about this really because it's kind of been a secret, as you can imagine. Leaving one place of business and moving to another, sometimes you have to keep things pretty quiet. That was the case here. And so I didn't do any talking about it really, but today's the day where I get to begin to show you some of the things I did in order to get my new shop ready. Before I forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys have been dropping comments and I love it. If you could hit me with a like and share this to as many people as you can in our industry, not in our industry, anyone you think might enjoy it, go ahead and send this to them and we'll see what they think. All right, let's get into the video. Today, I'm at my new shop. It is Saturday, and I'm gonna run some provisions for data lines, run some strings, as the drywallers are getting started soon, and I wanna make sure that I can pull data at some point later, because I don't have those wires yet. So, I'm gonna get in there and get some of that going, and see what else we can get into. All right, I'll see you inside. All right, so I stopped at Home Depot and got these supplies. There are some plastic bushings, which are gonna go on the ends of these EMT 90s. I think I did 3/4 inch. I'm only running one line through these anyway, but if I ever need to run more, I'll have the room to do so. These are the brackets that are going to mount down by the outlets, and they're going to hold the mud rings, which I'm pulling out now, and that's where my data lines are going to come out of. Got some hardware and brackets to attach the conduit to the top of the studs, and then some other supplies for another project. All right, so I started off with my laser level and just trying to make sure that these wall plates are going to end up exactly where the electrical wall plates are, on the same plane, because there's a whole bunch of them and I can't stand when wall plates are dancing up and down the wall. So got the level set up. This floor has drains in it, so the concrete is sloped, and when the electricians set their boxes, they just measured off the ground. So you'll see me moving some of their boxes in here too, and some I think I come back to because I can't have them all at different elevations. They'll have to be visually straight. So there we go, I'm moving some of those around. So setting these wasn't too difficult, just kind of moving down the line. I was going pretty close to the existing outlets, just so, each Ethernet was kind of paired with an outlet or so. And it's also based on my machine floor plan that I had way before I even got into this building. So that's kind of how I do things. I pre-plan everything and try to figure out the best way to position machinery and have a good flow and all that. So that's how I got placement on all these.